Hello friends, in this question it has been given that a juice manufacturer is filling 3000 bottles by employing 15 workers, and the workers are working for 8 hours a day. His question is, if the number of workers is 18 and the working hours are 6 hours a day, then how many bottles will be filled or manufactured? So we suppose that number of bottles, these 18 workers working for 6 hours will be X number of bottles. So we have arranged this data, given data. Now we will have to proceed further. We simply put a upward arrow sign on the along the column in which the unknown entity X is present. You have to do this without thinking anything. You have to put just upward arrow. Okay, now we will see the relation of bottles with workers and hours. So how we can increase the number of bottles by to be filled? Of course, if the workers are more, then number of bottles filled will be more. So we put simply an arrow upward sign here. It means if the number of workers increasing, the number of bottles is also increasing. Now come to the hours. If workers are working more hours, workers are working for more time, then of course more bottles will be filled. So if the hours are more, then bottles are more. So it means we have to increase both workers and hours to increase the number of bottles to be filled. So now we have arranged this data, and it seems that this is a compound direct proportional problem. Now we will take this data into the fractional form. How? The entities which are closer to the tail of the arrow, we will take them up in the fraction form and as a numerator, and the entities which are near the head, we will write them below as denominator. So here X over 3000. Then we put equal sign, and here 18 is near the tail, 18 up, and 15 near the head down, and multiplication sign we put. Then here 6 is near the tail, 6 up, and 18 near the head, 8 near the head, we put 8 below. Now what? Now we simplify this side. This is 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Okay, now 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 18, and these 2 2s are 4 and 2 9s are 18. So what we get, X equal to X over 3000 equal to 9 over 5 into 2. Now this 3000 is here. If we take this 3000 to the other side, because we have to find X, we'll have to move this 3000 to the other side so that we are left with only X. So we are left with only X, then this 3000 have to move to the other side of the equal sign. Where it will go? Here it is below. Here it will come here. Here. Okay, this 3000 has been moved this side. Now what we will do, we will further simplify this. How? 9 over 10, 5 to the 10 multiplied by 3000, and this 10 is cancelled with 3000. Here 300 is left, and we are left with 9 multiplied by 300. It will be 2700. So it means X is equal to 2700. So 2700 bottles will be filled by 18 workers working for 6 hours a day. This is our question. I hope that you might have understood the problem and might have enjoyed the solving, and I will request you in the end to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.